children. Continuing with the mensuration, today I am going to explain you how to find the surface area of cone. In the previous class I explained cylinder, cube, cuboid, their surface areas and the volume. Now the next one I am going to explain here is about the cone. You know, this is when you join it, you are going to get a cone. So now what I am going to find here, the curved surface area of a cone. How it is? This is cone, suppose. So this is curved surface area of a cone. If I open the cone, I am going to get this way the diagram. Something like this you are going to get when you open the cone. So finding area of this one is nothing but finding the area of curved surface area of the cone. Now I am talking about the curved surface area of cone. So let us analyze and how to find the curved surface areas in a very simple way. Okay, very simple. First, this is circular in shape. This arc of a circle you can say here. So now what I am doing, I am dividing this part into triangles like this one. So this is called as the slant height. This is called as slant height. It is represented by what? L. If I divide this one area into what? Triangle, I can cut this one into what? Triangles of, suppose like this one. This is what you have to take this one as something like this one. This is perpendicular height and you are proceeding something like this one. Okay, this is 90 degree and this is L and this is base. Okay, in the same way you are getting all the, this is suppose B1 for this triangle and this is base 2 for this triangle and this is base 3 for this triangle and here this is base 4 I can say here. Totally you are getting what number of triangles, okay, where the bases are something like this one, B1, B2, B3 and the respective height is what here? This is L. Slant height is L. So here slant height becomes, when you divide the diagram in this way, the height of the triangle it becomes. So what you are doing here next is finding the area of all these triangles gives you what? Finding the areas of all these triangles gives you the area of the curved surface area of the cone. So suppose if I consider this one, sorry, B1, B2, B3, B4, something like this one. So suppose this is L and it comes like this one, height, something like this. The first one I am going to get as height and it is L and this is B1. So as you know the area of triangle is given by, yes, area of triangle very simple is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. So here it is, now curved surface area of cone is equal to 1 upon 2 into first I am taking this, suppose this triangle B1 into height is my L, then 1 upon 2 . Okay, now this area is divided into what? Number of triangles. So finding area of all the triangles and adding them gives the curved surface area of the cone. So area of this triangle is given by, as explained here, as you people know, area of triangle is given by 1 upon 2 base into height. Here for this triangle, this is the base. It is divided into plane place. Okay, this is not curved. Small part if I are taking B1, that is B2. So this is B2, big if you go along this one and if you add all the, this one, okay, I am taking here 1 upon 2 L outside. What I am doing here? B1 plus B2 plus B3, it goes on. So sum of all these bases, small portion of that one, curved surface is divided into small, what? Plate place, this spaces you are taking here. So you give, adding all these bases is nothing but finding the curved surface area. When you close the cone, you are going to get a circle. Okay, the circumference of the circle. So this is nothing but circumference of the circle, which is given by 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. 1 upon 2 L into 2 pi r. This 2 and this 2 you get cancelled. You are getting pi r L over. So what is that one? Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Finished. So easy to remember. Hope you people understood this one. Let me continue the total surface area of this cone. Okay, this is curved surface area. Okay, now very simple. What is that? Now the total surface area of the cone is nothing but curved surface area surface area of cone. Okay, that is curved surface area plus, yes, it is area of base. Base is in circular form. So curved surface area is pi r L plus area of base is pi r square. Very simple. Pi r, from this one you take 1 r common. Pi r, what remains? L plus r over. So total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. Very easy to remember. So this way you follow all the formulas, refer all my videos where I explain you people to find the respective areas and the volume. Thank you.